Gary and Paul are trying to figure out how to get to the airport from downtown.
How are we going to get to the airport tomorrow?
Isn't there a bus that goes there?
Probably. Do you know which one?
I think number 7 is the airport bus, but let's check online and see.
Sure, I have my computer right here.
Perfect.
Okay, it is the number 7. It leaves every 20 minutes and the stop is just a few minutes away from here. Let's try to get a 1:20. That leaves us plenty of time.
Sounds like a plan.
Check your understanding through this video and to see how you learned. Question 1. Where are they going? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. They are going to the airport. Question 2. How often does the airport bus run? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. The bus runs every 20 minutes. Question 3. Where is the bus stop? Have you find out? The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. The bus stop is only a few minutes away.